Sa sarili kong swimming pool, ayaw mo ko sa ito yung iba pa yung pool. Kanina ayaw eh. Oh, sige.
Relax your legs, no? Relax your legs. Sabi, relax lang yung legs. Don't bend your legs.
Try to float at 360 seconds. Sabi mo 1,000 kanina. Try mo mag-float at 60. Go.
Magula na ako, inahanap ako.
Close your eyes.
Dito ako, takot sa akin.
Try mo na dyan mag-float. Kasi iba yung pressure na ito. So, try mo na dyan mag-float. Hindi pa. Sige, try mo mag-float. Tiga. 1. Count 1 to 60. Oh, try mo mag-count ng 60. One more. Set, go. Yan, count ka ng 60. Kailangan mo makatagal ng 60. Don't move. Just relax. Don't move. You can sleep. Okay. Relax. Yan. Kanina, ang tagal mo ah. Relax. Forward. Hindi ko nga tatanggalin eh.
Hindi mo yung isa-side. Kaya anong gawin mo, hindi makuha.
Very good.
Relax lang, relax. Look up, look up, look up, look up. Magka-count ka sa mind mo, 1, 2, ilan. Straight mo lang to, relax, relax. Kaya mo nga eh. Relax lang. Open your arms, open your arms. Open your arms. Open your arms. Pointed. 1 to 13, not 15.